everyone, today we are going to unbox another order from Amazon. So this is the box. Ta-da-da! Let me open this. It's open now. There is this wrap that they put to protect the item in the box. And a very big item inside. Very big box. So we have here, I don't know how to read this. It's Fugetek. I read it Fugetek. And this is a selfie stick. I ordered another selfie stick from Amazon. This has a bag. What's inside the box? A manual, 4 simple steps to set up Bluetooth remote. And there's no more inside. And we'll bind this very good using the cord of the bag. There you go. So as you can see, it's in the bag. That's neat. It has a bag, so if I will take it somewhere, I'll just go like this. And there you go. There's the bag. It's portable. Let's see what's inside the bag. Oh, wow. It's the same as my old selfie stick. I dropped that thing. Same as my old selfie stick, only it has tripod. Whoa, that's neat. So it makes the selfie stick sturdy because of this tripod. Oh, you can push it down. And I like this one. This my old selfie stick has like this, the Yuntang, and I like it because if you put a heavy gadget here, it doesn't fall down, just like the other selfie sticks that it doesn't have the lock. This one is the lock. There are 3 locks here, so if you wanna extend it, you can extend it, and you can even stop in the middle and lock it, and it will not fall down. And then you can lock this part too. So it doesn't move. Makes it stable. So let me see, how long is this? Oh, see, you can put an item, or you can put your gadget here. Let me fold it down first, and then put this one. Oh, I like this better. There you go. So you can put, I think this one is for GoPro. It does look like GoPro or different gadget. And you can extend this, pull it up to put another gadget here. Oh, you have to pull it more, extend. You can actually put or use bigger phones here. If you have iPhone 12, this one is 10. The one I'm using for video is 12. So you can extend it, make it bigger. There you go. This is very nice. And you have the remote control. You have the remote here. Hold on a second. Let me pull it up. There you go. It's a cute remote. There's only one button for camera. I'm not sure if this works with I think you can't zoom in or zoom out. So there's only power here, and it has a battery. What kind of battery is this? Oh, there. The battery. It's CR2032 3-volt battery. That's neat. It's very cute. And then you just take a picture. So we will try the remote. It says here, turn remote on and off. Hold the shutter button down for 3 seconds. Let me see if my Bluetooth is on. Yes, it is on. I'm gonna remove this plastic thing for the battery. We put this plastic here so to preserve the battery. Gonna pull this. Oops. Am I right? Let me see. Wrong. I'm not sure. I think I did not. I think I did it right. Okay. Okay, is it on now? Turn the remote on and off, on or off. Hold the shutter button down for 3 seconds. 1, 3. Please remove the battery preservation pull tab in the back of the Bluetooth remote. So this is the battery preservation. And make sure your device Bluetooth is on. Go to your device settings, turn on Bluetooth. It's looking for Bluetooth now. To pair the remote to your Bluetooth device, Fugetek will pop up. Didn't pop up yet. Under your Bluetooth devices, then select Fugetek and wait for it to connect. You see? There you go. There's the Fugetek. Click it and pair it. When Bluetooth device shows connected, it's connected now. You can now press the remote button to take photos. Let me see. Let's go to pictures. Photo. Yeah. There you go. Did you hear that? Did you hear the clicking sound? See? I'm gonna press the remote. There you go. It took pictures. And then, bonus tips, tricks, and info. Remote may be face down in handle. Remote can be popped out of handle for use. Then, replaceable battery. Of course, you can buy this anywhere where they sell batteries. This remote uses the CR2032 battery. No need to change or no need to charge the remote. That's good because my old one I have to charge, but it saves battery though. No need to charge the remote. Simply turn it on and remote is ready to use. GoPro devices can be attached to the selfie stick with a GoPro adapter. So I was right. You can attach GoPro here and other devices. Front cameras are low in resolution. Because of that, selfies you take come out grainy. You may want to use a filter to enhance the image. Well, I think depends on your device. If you are taking selfies indoors, make sure that you are facing the light and not with your back towards the light. So it's like, it's like when you are using ring light. It will be in your front, not in your back, not towards the light, not back towards the light. Holding a phone at a higher angle will make the shot more flattering. Interesting props. Backgrounds look much better and offer more interesting pictures. So that's it. We are connected. Look at this very, very cute Bluetooth or remote. Bluetooth remote. See? It's sturdy. I like it. There's a slippery thing device there. So you can avoid slipping. It won't slip. And I like the belt. It's sturdy. And I like this feature here that you can extend and you can lock. That's one. And there's one more. Two. Lock it. There's one more. Unlock. Lock it. Three. And it's like this long. See the phone here? And see, it's very long and sturdy. I like it. I can use this for taking pictures at work, taking videos at work. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. So we bought this, what's the name? Fugetek FT569. We have to put the link in the description box below. Compatible with compact digital cameras and instant cameras. That's neat because this one is extendable. This part here. Oops. There. This part. It's extendable. That's it. Can bend the head. Can bend it. Bend. Then bend. It's not showing there though. See? You can bend it like this or like this. You can adjust this head too. Alright. That's it. God bless you all. Bye-bye.